Hello everyone, welcome to today's tutorial, and I'll be teaching you how to achieve this kind of flyer for your designs. I'll be teaching you how to do this kind of party flyers, and you can work for lounges anywhere. So without boring you with so much stories, let's get right into business. So I'll first of all create a new file. So I'm designing this for Instagram, Facebook, and LinkedIn anywhere. So this one Instagram friendly. This size 1380 by 1080 by 1350 pixels. So this is it. The height 1350, the width 1080. So yeah, create it. Then I'll go to where my resources are. So let's go to where my resources are. First of all, I'll bring in this. Now scale it like so. Bring this one like this. Bring it down like so. So I'll give this Gaussian blur, give it a Gaussian blur like this, give it a Gaussian blur like this. Then I'll lock this one, and I come back here, and then I bring in this one. I bring in this one, scale it like so, hit my enter key, and then mind you guys, you can play with it. So for me, I used screen. I think so. Let me see. For me, okay, I used soft lights. So you can use any one you want to, because soft light actually give me this depth of field that I needed. This realistic look, this look. So I used it, and then I came over here again. Sorry, let's lock this one again so that it doesn't move. You guys get. So let's bring in this one. Mind you guys, I'm going to leave a link to all the resources I used. I got most of what I'm using, I got them from Freepik. Yes, I got them from Freepik. So this control A and centralize this. Then I used blur again for this one, version blur. Oh, I blurred it a little bit like so. So let's see. Um Screen, yes. Let me see the value of the blur. So it's 3.0. I use 3.0. Let me see the value of this blur. 3.0 still. So guys, you can see that we're on the right track. So I lock it. No, before I lock it, so I bring this one down here like this. I duplicate them twice. I duplicate it twice. Hold Alt key. Bring it down here like so. Then I bring this one down here like so. But guys, mind you, this is supposed to be here, and it's not supposed to be this big. So we can leave it like this. Then this one's like so. Let me delete this, and like so. So guys, we have this. So guys, we've created the background successfully. We've created the background successfully. So let's bring in our party model now. The main character. So I got this picture from Pinterest, but I didn't like what Pinterest was giving me, so I had to go and look for it. I had to search for it on Google. So guys, I worked on this picture. I worked on this picture. So let me show you what I used to work on this picture. Um, so guys, here's the value I used for it. I used camera raw to work on the picture. So guys, you can see these are the values that I used. You can see I played with the greens a bit. I edited them. Then I came here again, made some adjustment to the pictures. So guys, you can copy the value. You can see the values of everything. You can see the values of everything. Then I'm showing you what I used, sharpening everything. You can see curve. I didn't use curve. Color gradient. No, I didn't use. I used color mixer. So you can see for the hue, I put the green to plus 28 and the aquas to minus 100, the blue to minus 81. At saturation, I put the green to minus 13, the aquas plus 32, the blues minus 72. And for the luminance, I put the green at minus 14, the aquas plus 21, and then the blues minus 71. So guys, this is the value we have for this. So I'm just going to take this person, you know, and dump her right here, and dump her right here. So guys, you can see. So guys, there's something that I didn't mention. So for this, I use levels for all of this to make it, to give it this look that I give it. Let me see the value of the levels that I did. 38, 120. So let's do that. Let's do that. So for each of this, um, so for each of this adjustments, you look for sorry, not hue and saturation, not hue and saturation. Sorry. Um. So yeah, levels. So we are going to reduce this one to 30. Let's just put it 30. Or is it 38? 38. 38. Then 1.20. 1.20. I think so. Yes. So this one is going for this. This level is going for this one. So guys, I'm just going to duplicate these levels. You get duplicate, you know, do the same thing. So now guys, we want to create this, this. So I'm going to come over here, this add new layer mask, and create new layer, sorry. Then I'm going to come over here and select a green. I know it's going to work for all of us on this thing. Then I'm going to come over to, I'm going to hit my, I'm going to hit the B on my keyboard, B, and create this brush tool. So now look at my value for the brush. But the brush is looking too small for me, so I increase it on my keyboard. So guys, we don't want it to be so dark, just a little bit. You can see the value of my flow, 29, and opacity for 100. So we don't want it to be too dark. Understand me guys? So I think this is enough. Then I will lock this. So now I want to bring in, now here comes in the interesting part. I want to bring in, um, you know, I want to bring in, what do I want to bring in? What do I want to bring in? I want to bring in the logo. So let's bring in the logo from here. Rocks Hotel. Let's bring in the logo. Mind you guys, I'm not working with grids here, but if you want to work with grids, be my guest, you can. It's not a bad thing to work with grids. But here I'm not working with grids on this one. Scale the logo for the logo to be very visible. So now we want to bring in the text. So for the Sunday, I used the Jacqueline. So capital S, change my color to increase this. So I'll change my font to the Jacqueline regular. So this is what I used. The Jacqueline regular. So Control A, and then it's centralized. Then I give this one a stroke, a green stroke. So let me pick a green from this place. I pick a green stroke, put the value to 4. No, 4 is too much, sorry. I put the value to let's see. Okay, it's on outside. One is not showing properly, so 2. 2 is okay. Then for this blast, here's what we're going to do. So for this blast, we're going to open here. Don't click on, if you want to put in text effects, for those who are new, so you click on open. So this is where I have my text effects. You can see I'm bringing in this. No, I don't want to update. So this is it. So I come to where it says change text here. Then I type in my blast. So now this text is looking, so I'm going to change this matrix here to optics. And I'm going to change this one here to minus 25. Let's go again, minus 50. No, uh, minus 25 is okay. So yes, I'm okay with what I'm seeing here. So I'm going to wait for that to load. So now you see how it's looking. It's already coming out fine. So I'm going to remove all the titles. That's this text here. Then I'm going to remove the background. I'll turn off the background. Then all this glittering, all these glitz that you're seeing here, I'm going to remove it lights. So now you see this text effect here. So I think I changed mine to dark green. So let's see. Shadows. I left shadows 3. So no, not this. Of course, I worked on it because I wanted it to be very dark. You can see how it's looking. The brightness, reduce the brightness a bit. Um, so yeah, that was it. So I highlight all of this and then I turn it into a smart object so that I can be able to move all of them together. Because if I don't turn it into a smart object, it's not going to move together. It's going to select each of the surface one by one. So we are waiting for it to load, guys. So while it has loaded, now you can see we can scale this. So I'll control C this. I'll control C it. Come here. Then I paste. Now that I've pasted, I scale this down. Scale this down. Like so, guys. So you can see it. And I bring it behind. I bring it behind the Sunday. Take it up a little bit. So now, guys, we are heading there. We are almost done. We are almost done. Mind you, guys, before I forget one last important thing, before I forget one thing. So you can see over here that there's a green part shining on this our model, right? So here's how we're going to do it. Let's turn all of this off. Let's turn all of this. I'm sorry, not this, not this one. So now, guys, our model here, we want to make our glitter. So what we're going to do is this. What we're going to do is this. We take a green. Okay, no. We come here, over here, change the color to this green. Let's put it to something like so. Okay, guys. And then we draw this box around her like this. I know you guys must be saying, what is this guy doing? But just hold on. So we draw the box around her like that, and then we create a clipping mask inside of her. So now we come into our property layer, scroll, Then okay, yes. So we add layer mask to her. So now we come into our property layer here. Then we'll press invert. So now you see this white has changed to black. Now guys, notice this. So now guys, notice this now. So now this black has changed. This white has changed to black. So we'll come over to our brush tool here, or I hit Ctrl, or I hit B on my keyboard. I reduce the value. Now guys, you know that if you want to brush off a part, your foreground color has to be black. Your color has to be black. So now since I want to add something, you can see anything I do is not showing because my foreground color is on black, and then the mask, layer mask is black also. So now I want what I do to touch her. What I will do is I will invert this. I will change it to white. So anything I do will show here. So now I will reduce this, and then I will sorry, I will zoom into my model. So now the color, anything I do guys, just watch. You can take notes. Now look at this. You can see that there are some lines showing here. Just watch guys, follow me. So you can see. So guys, you can see. And this part you have to be very careful. Very careful with it. You have to follow her up. And the reason why I'm doing this is because she has to be shining, like the light from the background has to shine on her body. Do you understand me guys? The light on her, so the light on the background has to shine on her body so that it can give you this feel, this feel that when you look at it, you say, yes. So guys, now you can see that it is not affecting the background. Why? Because I inverted it. I am sorry, I did a clip max just for the image only. So now guys, we have something like this. Doesn't much. You get. So now guys, we are done, and then I fix the screen. So now guys, we have this like this. Let me see the mode. So if I off this, you can see there's this shiny look on her body. You guys see it? So yes, I change this blend mode to screen. So now I'm locking this and I'm locking this. So guys, we can bring back our text. Now guys, for this part, I'll just copy all of this. I'll just copy all of this. I'm sorry about that. So I'll just copy this and then I'll bring it here. Sorry guys. So we have it like this, and then I'll bring in all this text. So mind you guys, for the text, I'll show you the fonts that I used. I will show you the text, the fonts that I used for the for all this text. So you can go and download them from that font or Google Fonts or anywhere, maybe Google. Just type in your search and then you will get it. So guys, we have this. So this is how everything looks currently. So for the text, I use Bebas New Bold, Bebas New Bold. For this, I used the Jacqueline for this Friday. For this one also, I used the Jacqueline. For this blast, the text that was recommended, the text that was recommended at the for the 3D text effect. For this one too, I use Bebas New. For this one also, I use Bebas New. So guys, I hope you learned something from this flyer, and you can leave a like and a subscribe, and you can subscribe to my YouTube channel. Give hit the thumbs up, give a like, and give um a comment. Leave a comment in the comment section. Let me know what you think about this flyer, and if you want me to drop awesome tutorials like this, because I have tons and tons of good party flyer templates that I really want to share with you. But if this video helped you, you can hit the thumbs up button and leave a like and a comment. Subscribe to my channel, and I will drop another video. Thank you very much, and I'm out.